Hello everyone, welcome back. Yet another lecture of SM online class, and in this class we are going to discuss derivative of inverse trigonometric function by suitable substitution method. Okay, so this is derivative of inverse trigonometric function ITF को शॉर्ट लिखा है कोन इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन बाय ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन. ओके, sometimes differentiation of inverse trigonometric function becomes difficult by chain rule. Okay, sometimes inverse derivative of inverse trigonometric function is difficult by applying chain rule. Okay, so we use then we can differentiate them easily by using trigonometric substitution. ओके, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन आमे यूज करिकी सही कंपोजिट फंक्शन और हमरो इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन रो जो कंपोजिट फंक्शन अछि ताको आमे आउ टिके सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म को चेंज करि परिबा बाय यूजिंग सुटेबल सब्स्टिट्यूशन. ओके, सो बिफोर स्टडी सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड फर्स्ट हमको जानिबा को पड़िबो किछि स्टैंडर्ड फार्मूला जोटा कि हमरो फर्स्ट ईयर रे थिला. दिस इज सम ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फार्मूला और इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन. ओके, सो फर्स्ट फार्मूला इज दैट sin 2x that is 2 sin x into cos x. और sin 2x रो आ गोटे फार्मूला अछि that is 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. ओके, cos 2x रो अछि cos square x minus sin square x. ओके, आउ जदि हमें sin square x को जदि 1 minus cos square x करबा ताले केते हिबो 2 cos square x minus 1. आउ जदि हमें cos square x को जदि चेंज करबा 1 minus sin square x ताले ये हिबो केते 1 minus 2 sin square x. आउ cos 2x रो आ गोटे फार्मूला अछि कोन 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Then tan 2x अछि 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. तापर tan of x plus y अछि tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x into tan y. Tan of x minus y अछि tan x minus tan y upon 1 plus tan x into tan y. Okay, so sin inverse of minus x सब बेले होबो minus sin inverse x. Cos inverse of minus x हुए pi minus cos inverse x. Tan inverse of minus x है जाए minus tan inverse x. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is always equal to pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is always equal to pi by 2. And sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is always equal to pi by 2. Then sin inverse of root over of 1 minus x square is equal to cos inverse x. Cos inverse of root over of 1 minus x square is equal to sin inverse x. And 2 tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. And also 2 tan inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. And it is also equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Then tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy. And tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y equal to tan inverse of x minus y upon 1 plus xy. Okay, so step to find out derivative of inverse trigonometric function by substitution. तो first हमें नहीं जीबा y को जोटा क्वेश्चन हमर दिया है तो दैट इज इनवर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन हिसाब ताको हमें नहीं जीबा फर्स्ट. ओके, देन हमें f इनवर्स x को सुटेबल ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फार्मूला यूज करके ताको हमें कोन करबा सिंपलेस्ट करबा. ओके, then we differentiate y with respect to x to find out its derivative, that is dy upon dx. Okay, there are some more two standard formula, that is sin 3x, this is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Okay, and cos 3x equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Okay, and there are again most important two formula, that is 1 minus cos 2 theta equal to always 2 sin square theta. Okay, and 1 plus cos 2 theta or cos 2x always equal to 2 cos square theta. Okay, एटा हम कहबा कोन डबल एंगल, हाफ एंगल जे देइयो कोन हो 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta upon 2, 1 plus cos theta equal to kete यो 2 cos square theta upon 2. Okay, this is all about some important trigonometric formula which is most important for trigonometric substitution method. Okay, now discuss some example. Suppose y equal to अच्छी sin inverse 2x into 1 minus x square root over. Okay, this is inverse trigonometric function. Okay, and we use by suitable substitution. Okay, now this is if we take x equal to sin theta. Okay, if we take x equal to sin theta, then it is equal to what? Sin inverse 2 sin theta into this is 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, and 1 minus sin square theta root over that is cos square theta, and cos square theta root over that is cos theta. So it is equal to sin inverse sin 2 theta. Okay, and sin inverse sin equal to what? 2 theta. Sin inverse of sin cancel kete asibo 2 theta hobo, and which is also equal to 2 into theta ro value kete hobo, x equal to sin theta hele theta equal to kete hobo sin inverse x. Okay, so sin inverse 2x into 1 minus x square root over ro value ta kete asigala by putting x equal to sin theta 2 sin inverse x. ताहले आमे बाहर करबा कोन dy by dx, और dy by dx equal to होइयो केते derivative of 2 sin inverse x. Okay, and which is equal to 2 by 1 minus x square root over. Okay, now take another example. Suppose y equal to अच्छे suppose cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square अच्छी. Okay, ताहले आमे x रो वैल्यू को सब्स्टिट्यूट करिवा. Okay, by a trigonometric function. So cos inverse अच्छी. Okay, तो cos inverse जो अछि 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square अछि. आमे जानि छै गोटे फार्मूला कोन 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta केते हे जाइए cos 2 theta. ओके, सो x को जदि आमे सब्स्टिट्यूट करबा दैट इज tan theta, this is equal to what? Cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, and this is also equal to cos inverse of cos 2 theta. Okay, and which is equal to 2 theta, and theta value that is tan inverse x, so 2 tan inverse x. Okay, and 2 tan inverse x, that is derivative dy by dx equal to 2 upon 1 plus x square. Okay, now suppose y equal to अच्छे suppose sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Okay, sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. आमे जानी छे sin 3 theta formula that is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. तो हमें x equal to नहीं जवा केते sin theta. तो ये केते हो जीवो sin inverse 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Okay, and it is equal to what? This is sin inverse sin 3 theta, and it is equal to 3 theta. Okay, which is equal to 3 sin inverse x. Okay, 3 sin inverse x, and derivative of y, that is d by dx of 3 sin inverse x, d by dx of 3 sin inverse x, which is equal to what? 3 upon 1 minus x square root over. Okay, suppose एठी sin inverse न थाई कि suppose cos inverse था suppose ताले कोन कर दे x इक्वल sin थीटा हे गला sin inverse 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta एटा कोन हो cos inverse हो सब यही हो cos inverse. Okay, this is also cos inverse, but this is sin 3 theta. Okay, ताले मैं sin 3 theta को लेखि परबा कोन, this is equal to cos inverse cos of pi by 2 minus 3 theta लिखि हो. Okay, sin 3 theta को लिखि हो कोन cos of pi by 2 minus 3 theta. ताले केते हियो cos inverse cos टा कैंसिल होला पर केते आसीबो pi by 2 minus 3 theta. Okay, which is equal to pi by 2 minus 3 theta and equal to pi by 2 minus 3 sin inverse x. Okay, now its derivative, that is dy by dx equal to pi by 2 derivative 0 and minus 3 sin inverse x, that is minus 3 upon 1 minus x square root over. Okay, suppose y equal to अच्छी tan inverse root x minus x upon 1 plus x to the power 3 by 2 अच्छी. Okay, tan inverse root x minus x upon 1 plus x to the power 3 by 2. We know that root x into x is equal to what? X to the power 3 by 2. Okay, so this is in the form of tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b, because root x into x equal to what? X to the power 3 by 2. ना हमको ट्रिग्नोमेट्री रो जो फार्मूला गुडा तो अछि माने एक्वांटेड होआ को पड़िबो. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फार्मूला सहित जदि हम एक्वांटेड हे जिबा ताहाले सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड टा हमको बहुत इजी लागिबो. ओके, सो दिस इज लेट root x equal to tan a and x equal to tan b. Okay, then what happened? It is equal to tan inverse tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a into tan b. Okay, and it is equal to tan inverse of tan a minus b, and which is also equal to a minus b, and the value of a is what? Tan inverse root x. Tan inverse root x minus value of b is what? That is tan inverse x. Okay, so find its derivative, that is dy by dx equal to dy dx of tan inverse root x minus dy dx of tan inverse x. Okay, and it is equal to tan inverse root x, this is equal to 1 by 1 plus root x whole square, this is x, and derivative of root x, that is 1 by 2 root x by chain rule. Okay, and tan inverse x derivative, that is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Okay, suppose y equal to, suppose it's tan inverse suppose 2x plus 3x upon 1 minus 6x square ଅଛି, suppose y equal to tan inverse 2x plus 3x upon 1 minus 6x square ଅଛି, ताहले this is 2x into 3x equal to what? 6x square. so ଆମେ नै ଯିବା कोन और 2x को नै ଯିବା tan a, okay, then 3x को नै ଯିବା tan b, तापर जे हम पुट को ताले कोन हो tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b हो, this is equal to what? tan inverse of tan of a plus b हे जीवो जदि सब्स्टिट्यूट करि साला परे. ओके, this is equal to what? a plus b, आ a रो वैल्यू केते हबो? tan inverse 2x, b रो वैल्यू केते हिजबो? tan inverse 3x. ओके, तापर हम यारो डेरिवेटिव ता बाहर करि पारिबो. ओके, so this is all about trigonometric substitution method of inverse trigonometric function. बेले बेले कोन हो कि चेन रूल द्वारा हम यदि सॉल्व करबा टिके हमको डिफिकल्ट होबो, so we use the suitable trigonometric and we convert into its simplest form. Okay, then by applying suitable formula we find out its derivative. Okay, so आज यही क्लास रे हम पढिले कोन trigonometric substitution method. Okay, so in the next class we discuss exercise D and exercise E. Okay, so till that, take care and thanks to all of you.